Hey everyone, this is Django here, and this is Nomad 2.0. Jedi Exile contacted me about this saber. He stated that the switch didn't work. I offered to put some new switches in there. He wanted some anti-vandal switches. When I originally got the saber, because of the previous holes in there, it wouldn't look right with just two bezels, so he opted for this switch box. It's pretty low profile, so it won't get in his way that much when he's dueling and spinning. I also added this because there was a big hole there, and so it's an idle accent LED. Another thing that was done to the outside was it was the blade retention screw, and it was stripped out, so I cut the screw down quite a bit and just glued it in there. This is the blade retention screw now. It holds blades in very well. On with the demo. Kill key is in the back. Okay, obviously this is the idle LED. The main power LED is this big one in the back. He also asked for a different LED. It did have a P4 white in it. Now it has a P4 blue. That is an Ultra FX blade. It's pretty bright. That's a Mad Cow's Hero. We'll go through the fonts now.
Accessing Imperial records. Episode 3 OBN. Episode 4. Episode 2 remastered. TFU Star Killer. Episode 3 OBN.
Well, let's finish it out with that one. It's the Anakin centric one. Well, anyway, that's about it. And later.